So we are here for some cast iron drains that are broken underneath. We're gonna go in and check the layout so we know what we're getting into. So we got a powder room in here, toilet, sink. We got 2 fixtures in there, toilet, sink, shower. So we're up to 5 fixtures. All right, that's gonna be revented. Look at this stove. That's cool. Old school. Well, let's go get our jacket on and go underneath. I did check the crawlspace entrance. It's kind of tight, but we'll be okay. Get my jacket. Switch over to the boots. Let's go see what we got. Alright. Oh yeah. Got some cast iron right here already. Alright, so there's the kitchen. Yeah. Looks like we're headed down there. It's pretty clean down here. Got some corrosion right here. So this is pitting out. Won't be too long before that breaks. That's the shower. We got a wet spot down here. From there. Look at that. Wide open pipe. Well, we know why they said it's bad. Because of this. That would have been that bathroom sink. This could have been a revent. Yeah, because this is the toilet. This is your vent. Based off the layout upstairs. So that's a shower. And look at the back grate on that thing. That's crazy. Not a lot of bugs. That's nice. Looks like we'll have to run a new main from outside, shoot in through the foundation, reseal the foundation. It's all fitting. We'll probably try to elevate that line up a little bit, that kitchen line right there. Then come up, we'll probably bring this main, bring it in, and we'll revent the line itself. The more of the main line we have, the better. We just gotta make sure that toilet gets vented, because that's quite the run for that toilet. And these are great, because when we go to cable the lines out in the future, if they clog up or anything, that'll keep us from coming up into the toilet and breaking a toilet with our cables. So we'll put another one of those in, which is called the end of the line clean out. Strap it all up with PVC, get all this copper out of here. Well, that's what we needed to see. So let's work our way out of here. It is soft, but if I'm gonna play in the sand, I prefer it to be at the beach. Let's see. Yeah, you gotta watch out for these saddle valves, especially if they're not in use. There's a little needle in here that shoots and pokes a hole in the pipe. Over time, these will start to fail. Oh, look at that corrosion. You're gonna have some pipe leaks here in the future for sure. They're gonna need to be addressed. So that'll be it for us today. When you beat the view, oh yeah. Working in Charleston.